National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County in northwestern Virginia, Central Page County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, Culpeper County in northern Virginia, until 6 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Luray, or 14 miles south of Woodstock, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Culpeper, Madison, Luray, Stanley, Sperryville, Big Meadows, Brightwood, Castleton, Alma, Elkwood, Catalpa, Stevensburg, Leaxville, Ida, Brandy Station, Hamburg, Oak Park, Haywood, Syria, and Fairview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.